Yes, good day everyone, welcome to Global Gift. Today I'll be showing you how to earn free Doge mine every 60 seconds. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to register your account. Click on the sign up. Put your username, your email, your password. Type your password. That you log into your account. You follow the cash out given to you. Next, now verify. Let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Yes, successful. Let's log into our account. Login successful. Yes, what you are going to do here is that every 1 hour you can earn, and every 60 seconds you can earn. To receive reward from our faucet, please fill in the correct cashment and press claim button. This is how to do the taxi. Get started. And here you see deposit at least 15 Doge to upgrade your account to browse. This is the browse here. You'll be earning 0.500 Doge in every 1 hour. You have to connect to go and claim it every 1 hour. That's it, okay. But you don't deposit. Let's get started. It's just free and free dogecoin. Yes, I already click on this one. It is earning. This one takes only 1 hour. Next one is earn faucet. This one you can earn anytime. Yes, that will be claimed. I've claimed that one. That already added to the account there. This is how it works. It means you see now, after you have claimed too much, you see that you should wait for another for their games. You can claim more than like 10 times. You can claim in a day. 10 times. And to withdraw, the minimum to withdraw is 10 Doge. It's 10 Doge. You can also refer your friends to earn more Doge here. I want to deposit. Just go to the deposit link there. And you copy the address given to you. And we deposit successfully. And you click here if you have transferred it and not reflected. You can click here. You see that you haven't made any transaction. Yeah, this is how to earn here. Let's go to the games. Okay, for this game you have to put your balance there so that you can earn. It's like betting here, but if you want to play, you can play it on your own. Yes, this way I will stop. If you are new to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel? Watch my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.